A semi-truck driver is dead and several others were injured after a deadly wreck on Interstate Highway 30 in Royse City. Lieutenant Nick Dial of the Royse City Police Department told CBS 11 the accident involved 3 vehicles and occurred in the slow lane of I-30. He said traffic was moving slower or stopped for an unknown reason prior to the wreck. He said the truck failed to slow down or couldn't stop and rear-ended another semi-truck, which then ran into another vehicle. The driver of the semi-truck that initiated the wreck did not survive his injuries. The driver of the truck that was rear-ended did not sustain injuries. Occupants of the passenger vehicle were taken to the hospital. There's no word on their condition. Jeff Petrulis for CBSN DFW.